Gravely Lizarov discovered a special type of external fixator or ring fixator called as Lizarov ring, nowadays very popular among orthopedic surgeons. He working on a pure concept of distraction osteogenesis. He told us that if we are dealing with any type of gap in the long bone, then we can do a refreshing of the fracture site, and we can do a docking of this gap. Then we can put a external fixator, ring fixator, proximal and distal to the bone, and we can give a compression by um, 4 pillars of compression screw. Then if we put another ring proximal to this bone, and in the diaphyseal metaphyseal junction, if we can do a subperiosteal low velocity corticotomy, then we have a option of limb lengthening. How? What he have done, he applied 3 ring. One uh, is proximal to the bone and 2 distal to the bone around the fracture site. He give compression over the fracture site. Then after this corticotomy, 14 days after, he used to distract this fracture site 6 hours interval 0.25 millimeter each 90-degree turn of this screw. So 1 millimeter per day, that is recommended or that is tolerable in human body. And what we have shown that we have two type of ossification. One is membranous ossification, another is end-condyle ossification. End-condyle ossification most commonly occur in the long bone. It helps for length gain. But membranous ossification occur in the membranous bone of the skull and only one long bone, that is called clavicle. But if we try to make a limb lengthening, we can create a artificial fracture over the long bone within a biological limit with a mechanical induction of a new bone formation, which will can help to stimulate new biosynthetic activity and neurovascularization, and that is due to membranous ossification. So that is a rarest type of concept that developed in the long bone can also have the membranous ossification. The bone can extend up to the infinity under the tension within the biological limit, because any gene has programmed from our very beginning of our life that any child when getting his length by day, after the adult phase, this length of the bone will stop, and each and everything is genetically programmed of our body. But if we can do a distraction force of special type of by a special type of instrument over a period of time, then this gene will be reactivated for limb lengthening. This is the concept, and we can use his marvelous concept on a deadly complicated case of each and every orthopedic surgeon. The indication of the Elizarov is limb lengthening, deformity correction, infected non-union, congenital hydroarthrosis, treatment of joint contracture, any type of fracture fission in the complex fracture, and bone transport, arthrodesis of the joint, and last but not the least, peripheral vascular disease or thromboarteritis obliterans. This thromboarteritis obliterans is a special type of problem where the blood supply to the small and medium sized vessel are jeopardized. If we can do a horizontal or vertical corticotomy over the tibial anterolateral aspect, and we can distract this part of bone through iliac ring gradually, then the blood circulation to the small and medium vessel can be increased up to 330 times, and which will automatically heal this problem that is called the thromboarteritis arteritis obliterans. And the operation is used to like omentoplasty or sympathectomy are not too much promising in case of Barger disease, but in early phase if we start this type of Iliarov ring fixator distraction, then we can save the limb. And the new update of that Ilizarov concept is orthofix and LRS. These are the special type of limb reconstruction system which is used to being very popular among the orthopedic surgeon, and we can easily manage any type of gap in the long bone. And last but not the least, Ilizarov is modified. mm, Ilizarov is called Taylor special frame. That it has a 6 telescopic rod which can maintain or which can distract this cholestasis site as per programming of the computer using the artificial intelligence. We have take the CT scan preoperatively of the patient, and we have to put it by through a proper software, and we have to transport the software to this telescopic rod, and this rod will automatically help in distraction and modified force over this bone, and they will achieve that desired lengthening. So this is the last and latest update of Ilizarov concept, that is called limb gain by ISKD nail. ISKD means intermediary skeletal kinetic device. If patient is suffering from a limb length discrepancy, we can lengthen his limb. Even some lady try to gain her length by any type of operation. This nail can change the lifestyle also. By doing intermedullary rimming with a very small incision, we can put this nail, and there is a programming microprocessor over the distal part of the nail which will increase this length after a artificial fracture created over this proximal aspect of this bone, and it can achieve the achievable distance or distraction, and after a speculated time that bone will get ossified and patient will enjoy this limb length. So any concept, if you do a hard work on that concept, it can change the world. Hopefully, within 2050, Elon Musk will prove it. Thank you for your kind attention.